Welcome to Cathy's Eclectic Garden, Zone 6A in Northwest Ohio. Something strange has been going on in my garden. It's February and early this past week our temps were in the high 40s to mid 50s. The 5 to 6 inches of snow on the ground last week is mostly melted. The strange thing is, bees have been swarming my bird feeders. Never had that happen before. Here is a clip similar to my original post I shared as a short video. This year I'm not sure what kind of bees these are. I don't know if they're honeybees. No, they're not. They're definitely bees of some kind. Maybe if somebody watching this can tell what kind of bees they are, you can post it in the comments below. But they're just all inside this feeder. Didn't know bees ate birdseed, but these are certainly looking for something. So give me some feedback. Let me know what you think. And we'll try to figure out what kind of bees these are. They showed up first on Sunday, February the 15th. On Monday, they were back again. They were swarming a white tube feeder that contained a basic birdseed mix with cracked corn and black oil sunflower seeds. I was filming right beside the feeders with bees swarming all around me. They were not aggressive at all. One did land on my finger while filming this segment. Guess I wasn't sweet enough because it didn't hang around very long. But they seemed to prefer the red barn feeder that contained the same basic feed as well as a fruit and nut blend. Look closely and you can see the bees pushing the seeds around to get to what they want. I'm no bee expert, but they look like honeybees to me. I shared my original short with a friend who keeps bees. She agreed they were honeybees and said her bees were active on Sunday as well. My husband filmed this bee whose leg was stuck in the feeder. Fortunately, it was able to pull free and fly away. We worried they might be trying to build a hive. After they left for the evening, my husband went out at 2:30 a.m. when the temperature was 34 degrees and emptied the feeders and removed them from the area. He said there were no bees inside the feeders and both feeders barely had enough birdseed in them to cover the bottom of the feeder. I saw a couple of bees flying around on Tuesday, but none since then. Share your winter bee experiences below, and if you would, please hit that like button, share with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.